chicken bacon ranch. Is there really anything better? Today, we're whipping up one of the best sandwiches ever made, the chicken bacon ranch. This is an awesome sandwich. My family loves it, and I'm gonna show y'all how I make it. So without further ado, let's dive in here and I'll show you how this thing comes together. All right, we're gonna start off with our bread. I am using ciabatta buns. Y'all can use whatever bread you want, but I do believe for this sandwich, ciabatta is the way to go. I think I'm saying that right. We're gonna take our bread knife, go ahead and cut that thing down, open it up, and we're gonna lube it up. I got some Believe It's Not butter. Y'all can use real butter. Look, this is just what I got, so I'm using it. All I need to do is get this bread where I can pop it in the oven real quick and get it toasted down. With our bread lubed up, we'll go ahead and place it in our camp chef, get a nice little toast on it. While we got our bread toasting, we'll go ahead and whip up our ranch. So I got a small bowl right here. I'm just making a small batch. And what I'm gonna do is add in sour cream, buttermilk, and mayonnaise, all equal parts into the bowl. From there, we're gonna add in some dill weed. Now y'all can use fresh ingredients. I don't happen to have any, so I'm gonna use some dried. And I don't know, I'm gonna say 1 or 2 teaspoons. Basically, just dump the ingredients in there and give it a taste, find out what you like. From there, I'm gonna go with some dried parsley. But yeah, it's all to taste. It's about what you like. So I would say 2 teaspoons of dill weed and 1 teaspoon of parsley. We're gonna add us a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. We're gonna give that a good stir. So I got my ranch whipped up right there. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of taste, make sure it doesn't need any more pepper, seasoning, anything like that. To me, that tastes like a perfect buttermilk ranch. So our ranch is made, bread's still on the oven. Go ahead and get our bacon, chicken. All this is about to come together real quick. And now for our bacon, go ahead and get that opened up, cut it in half, and that's gonna be perfect for one sandwich. Got my pan going on medium right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that bacon in there, get it nice and crispy, because that's what bacon should be. Give it a little flip. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull this bacon off. It looks like it's gonna be pretty nice and crispy, and I'm just gonna throw that over a paper towel to drain the grease. And I'm gonna leave that bacon grease in that pan because that's what we're gonna cook the chicken in. Now for the last part, we're gonna go ahead and build our chicken right here. All we're gonna season our chicken with is Zatarain's blackened season. You don't have to use Zatarain's, but please use blackened season. This stuff is awesome. A lot of people don't use this on chicken. They mainly use it on fish, but this is gonna elevate your chicken to the next level. We're gonna coat it pretty good. And it's just gonna give that chicken an awesome kick. Go ahead and flip that over on the bottom side. Make sure we get it over there real good. All right, and to that bacon grease goes our chicken. Roughly gonna do 5 minutes on each side. Give it about another 5 minutes on the other side. All right, our chicken's ready to pull off right there. Nice black and beautiful color on it. Go ahead and set it to the side. It is finally time to build this sandwich. We had our bread that we toasted, bacon that we fried, blackened our chicken, whipped up some ranch, sliced some tomatoes. Let's put this thing together, do a little taste test. We'll go ahead and put some ranch on both sides of our bread. And I really like that ciabatta bread because it's got the pits in it, and it really kind of gives it a place for that ranch to go. Ranch is down. Go ahead and go with a layer of bacon, tomato, put our chicken right there, go on with some more bacon, and place the cap on this baby. Give it a good mash. There we go. And a flip. The time has finally come to give this baby a taste test. Go ahead and give it a good slice. And man, look how juicy that thing is right there. Mmm. Mmm. Y'all, the blackened chicken, that kind of heat that comes with it, the ranch kind of evens that out. The bacon, the crispy bread. This sandwich is to die for. It's definitely one of my favorites. Y'all, you got to go out, give this a try. Let me know what you think. If y'all would, hit the like button, comment with any questions, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see y'all at the next meal.